with how to create multi-groups. Let us illustrate the creation of accounting groups using the MultiMasters option in the books of Suhan Software Private Limited. With the details given in the table, let us create the groups as Debtors East Zone and Debtors West Zone using MultiMasters creation option. To create multiple groups from Chart of Accounts from Gateway of Tally, click on Chart of Accounts under Accounting Masters, select Groups, click on Alt-H MultiMasters. Now select the option Multi-Create. In the Under Group field, select Sundry Debtors. In Name of Group, enter the name as Debtors East Zone and Debtors West Zone. Then accept the screen. Activity: create the groups using MultiMasters and Multi-Create option. Refer to the table given. After completing the activity, go to Chart of Accounts, select Groups. The list of groups screen appears. You can observe that the Sundry Debtors is the default group, against which we have created 4 groups, and those are listed below Sundry Debtors. Similarly, Sundry Creditors is the default group under which 4 groups are created. From the list of groups, you can enter on any group and you can alter the group as per your requirement. To display the used or unused groups, click on Ctrl-J Exception Reports, then select the option Show Used or Show Unused. Similarly, we can view all the used and unused masters from Chart of Accounts. Let's look at multi-ledgers creation. Here, you will understand the creation of ledgers using the MultiMasters option in the books of Suhan Software Private Limited. Multiple ledgers also can be created at one go like groups. Create the ledgers using the MultiMasters option in the books of Suhan Software Private Limited. To create multiple ledgers, go to Gateway of Tally, click on Chart of Accounts, select Ledgers, click on Ctrl-H MultiMasters and select Multi-Create. In Under Group, select Fixed Assets. Enter the name of ledger as Machinery and press Enter. Similarly, enter the next ledger name as Office Furniture and press Enter. Do not enter the opening balance. Press Enter and accept the screen. You can observe that we have selected Fixed Assets in the Under Group field before entering the name of the ledger. After entering the name of ledger, the cursor skips from choosing the group in the Under field. This is the easiest way to create multiple ledgers which belong to the same accounting group. Activity: referring to the chart, create the ledgers under the Indirect Expenses group. Activity: referring to the table, create the ledgers using MultiMasters and Multi-Create by selecting Under Group as all items. Once you complete the activity, the multi-ledger creation screen appears as shown. In Chart of Accounts, you can observe that the Fixed Assets is a group listed in the bold. Under the group, ledgers such as Machinery and Office Furniture are listed in italic. In the List of Ledgers screen, those listed in bold are the parent groups and subgroups. Accounts listed in italic are ledgers. This will help the user to identify the nature of accounts, that is, groups or ledgers. Let us illustrate the creation of stock group using MultiMasters option in the books of Suhan Software Private Limited. With the details given, create the stock groups using MultiMasters creation option. To create multiple stock groups from the Chart of Accounts, go to Gateway of Tally, select Chart of Accounts, click on Stock Groups, click Alt-H MultiMasters, select Multi-Create. In the Under Group field, select as Mobile Phone. Enter the stock group names and select the main groups applicable. Click Yes to accept the screen. Activity: using the Multi-Create option, create wireless keyboard and wireless mouse under the Stock Group Computer Accessories. After accepting the multi-stock group creation screen, you can view the list of stock groups and check whether the created groups are added to the list of stock groups or not. Let us illustrate the creation of stock items using the MultiMasters option. The list of stock items to be created in the books of Suhant Software Private Limited are given in the table. Let's understand how to create multiple stock items from the chart of accounts. To create from Gateway of Tally, select Chart of Accounts, Stock Items, click on Alt-H, MultiMasters, select Multi-Create, then press F12 and set Show Category Details to Yes and accept the screen. From the Multi-Stock Item Creation screen, in the Under Group field, select as All Items. Now, based on the information provided, enter the stock item name, select the stock group, stock category, and units as applicable for stock items. The completed multi-stock item creation screen appears. Accept the screen. After accepting the multi-stock item creation screen, you can view the list of stock items and check whether the created items are added to the list of stock items or not. The impact of all the masters created in Tally can be viewed in the statistics report. To display the statistics report, go to Gateway of Tally, click on Display More Reports, select the option Statement of Accounts and click on Statistics. The statistics reports displays the count of the masters created and predefined masters available. You can enter on any of the masters to view the details of the master.